Hi, this is Taylor Tran, and this is my video blog over the future of counseling. So for the first question regarding how do I see myself contributing to the counseling field, I think I would like to continue working in the population I've been working with, which is the serious mental illness or SMI population. I just have a passion for it. I think I've done well so far working in the field in my current role for the past 6 years. I would say it takes a lot of patience and also not taking things personally, having a bit of a thick skin. Just the other day, I was threatened physically, but I know there's so many people out there that are in need of effective treatment. They are in need of help, and that may mean being in situations where you have some worries, but you're ultimately, putting aside those worries to help somebody for kind of the greater good. They may not even realize all the things that they're saying or doing and how it's affecting people. So that's the big thing, is I have a good, demeanor to just brush that kind of stuff off and not take it personally or have any type of personal animosity after experiencing that. And the most meaningful activity, I would say, was the wellness and impairment paper that we did recently. I think that it gave me an opportunity to look at and evaluate my own personal wellness journey and where I'm at, and some areas that I need to work on that I'm actively going to be working on and have kind of set a plan for. And I'd say it's nice. That's an area where it's nice to maybe disclose a little bit to your client sometimes about stuff that you're still working on. It's helpful maybe to kind of have them feel like, okay, this person's not just this person that's way above me that's going to tell me about things I need to do for myself. You get to have them see that, we're not perfect and that we all still can improve and strive for greater wellness and healing. And then personally, how I felt that the course has kind of made me different as a result of the course. I think I've come to appreciate all the different roles that a counselor plays within the field. Reading through the literature and seeing how vast the field is. It's not, there's so many different specialties, areas of expertise, different approaches that people use, methodologies. And so it's not just the stereotypical, someone sitting in a swanky leather chair and while the client lays on a couch and tells them things. There's so much more to it than that. Thinking about the advocacy standpoint, the multicultural competency standpoint, all of the kind of ethical, things that need to be taken into consideration and consulted about to make sure that things are the way they're supposed to be running and that we're not in violation of anything from an ethical standpoint either. And so I would say that through reading that, through learning about the different things, it just kind of opened my eyes to kind of the full picture of what the counselor does. And I think it gave me a better appreciation for the field as it's continued to evolve and adapt as the times kind of evolve. Even in this last few years, I think there's been a big change in the way things are done with innovative technology, with more people kind of, speaking out and starting services. I think it's nice to see that it's continued to change, and I think the field continues to evolve as the need changes over time and the population differences change over time. So it's been really exciting, and I'm hopeful for the future and excited to keep going on this journey.